Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create an online store for beginners. To get started, we're going to head on to the plugin section and add a plugin that is called WooCommerce. Here is the plugin called WooCommerce, and as you can see, I have already installed it. So we can go ahead and start using it. Here is the plugin, and under new here you can see product, meaning you can add new products. So to get started, to add our product, all you have to do is to click on product. Okay, here under product name is where you put your product name. Here you have your description. Here you put the product image. Under regular price, here you put your price. If the product is a downloadable product, you're gonna choose select this virtual and download. And here is where you have a short description of the product. And here you have the gallery of the product, and when you are done, you click the publish button to save your work. Now to get started, I already have some sample data to use. Here we have the category of electronics, the fashion apparel, the home and kitchen, the digital products, and the health and beauty. So here is the product name, wireless Bluetooth headphone. Here we put the product name. Here we put the product description. And here is the product description tab. So our product is a simple product, not downloadable or virtual product. So we're going to put the price as, let's say, $35. And the category, electronics. Add the category. From here you add your product image. I'm going to upload it from the computer. And the pictures, I think I have some pictures here that I can use. Let me select. Upload. Okay. So I select the product. So the product is successfully added to the product image. Let me change the product name to bag or bag pack. So the category, I'm going to change it to okay, let's leave it as uncategorized for now, and let me save it. So let's preview what we have done so far. Okay, getting things, great things are on the horizon. So the reason for this is that we still have coming soon. So we have to make it live so that the product will be visible on the front end. So it is successfully saved right now to go live. Then let's go back to our products. And let's view right now. So here is our, oh, let me refresh it. So here is our backpack. Here is where we have the short description, the price, and the long description. And here is the product image. So let's add more products. You come to new here and you click products. Here, let me make the product sunglass. Just copy any text and use it as the product description, and also short description. I can set the price at $10. Okay, let me make it $20, and the sales is $15. It's under sales as $15. Let me just create a category, call it wears, and let me set the feature product, the image product. Okay, and click publish. Let's add 2 more products. I'm going to call this hoodie. The descriptions here, price I'll leave it at $45. The short description here, the category wears, the feature image. I'm going to select this and save. So that is done and saved successfully. And let's create the last product. I'm going to call this ladies jacket. I'm going to have the product description here and the price as $57, under sales as $50, and the short description here, category wear, and the product picture here. Publish. So it is saved successfully. Okay, let me add one more. Add new product. Let me call this cream. Body cream. The product description, the price I'm going to leave it at $34. The short description, you can choose the right category. If the category is not here, you can go ahead and create a new category. For example, we can put the category as cream. we had a product image here. Then you click publish. Now we have successfully had 5 products to this website. So under our image here, you'll be able to see your products that you have added to the website. To make changes to any of the products, just click edit. And if you want to make a quick edit, you can change the price, you can change the categories, and change so many things there. Okay, let's go to pages here. After you have successfully installed your WooCommerce plugin, some pages will be automatically installed on the back end, which is the cart page, the checkout page, my account page, refund and return policy, and the shop page. So under my account is where you see the details of your orders for login users. But for non-login users, what you see is a registration form or a login form. Then under shop is where we have all the added products you have on the website that are published. So let's click and view the shop and see all the products that we have already added. So these are the products we have. As you can see, they are all live and you can go ahead and add them to cart, view the cart. So this is the checkout. The next step now is to proceed to the checkout page. So here is the checkout page. You fill in your billing details, your shipping details, and here is the order that you have made. And after payment, you click on place order. But right now we have not yet connected the card, so the website will not be able to receive payment right now. In order for the website to receive payment, we will need to install a plugin called Stripe. And to install Stripe, you go to plugin, add new, and search for Stripe. As you can see, we have already installed this plugin, and this is the plugin, payment plugin for Stripe WooCommerce. In order to locate this plugin at the back end, you come to WooCommerce here and click on setting. Then you go to payment here. So here is the credit card information, and we have some other payment details, but we are not focusing on that. We are currently focusing on on the credit card. So let me add direct bank transfer, and let me have the cash on delivery and also the check payment. So by checking all this, you will still need to log in, and you still need to click on the finish setup to be able to add the individual details of this information. For example, on the direct bank transfer, you need to put your bank details, and under cash on delivery, you may need to put some information to let the shoppers pay upon delivery. So, but now we are focusing on the credit card. So we click on manage here. As you can see, we are under the credit card Stripe payment. It is already enabled. So let's go to the API settings. Here you can see that the mode of the payment is in test, so we can make it live. If you want to start receiving payment on the website, after selecting the live, you click on the save changes. And here we have connect Stripe account. You want to be able to receive payment with Stripe payment with credit card, you will need a Stripe account. So with that Stripe account, you'll be able to connect it to this website by clicking on this blue button, and it will be automatically connected to your website. Then you can start receiving payment at the checkout. So that is it on how to receive payment. So these are the basic informations for you to set up your online store and connect your payment method to the website. And I hope you have learned a lot, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.